If you follow the method I'm going to show you in this video, you may make $2.84 per minute simply by viewing videos on YouTube. This is applicable in any country including the USA, Canada, the UK, India, the Philippines, and any other country in the world. What's even more awesome is that if you watch this video to the end, I will reveal a bonus trick that, if you use it on this brand new website, will enable you to bring in an extra $500 every single day. So don't miss this! Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. You should start by visiting this page, where you can get free money just by viewing videos on YouTube. The name of this site is wintub.com. Enter that into your browser's address bar or look up Wintub in a search engine like Google and select the first result. I'm going to walk you through the features of this website. What you can do here is watch videos such as TV advertising, videos on YouTube, or even full-length movies. Here you can read on to learn more about their referral program details. If you can get someone to sign up for the site using your referral link, you will receive $1. And after you have accumulated a certain sum, you will be able to withdraw it using your chosen withdrawal method, bank account, PayPal, etc. The brands they have partnered with to provide fresh videos regularly can be seen if you scroll down even further. You can read more about this website if you want by clicking on the About Us option in the top right corner of the site. But to tell you the truth, using Wintub isn't difficult at all and is very straightforward. Let's sign up for an account right now so we can get started. Simply sign up by clicking on the icon located over here. To continue, please provide your first and last names, along with your date of birth, gender, email address, and password. Check the box next to this CAPTCHA and then click the button that says Create Account. Now that we have signed up, we've received our $5 welcome bonus. This is totally awesome! I will now reveal how we can increase our earnings and therefore our account balance. You can see our available viewing options on the left-hand side here, with 5 videos listed. There will be a 61-cent payout for the first video viewed, beginning with the one currently playing. Let's hit play and watch this thing. We are going to be presented with an ad right away. You only need to exit this window and then click the play button once more. It would also be helpful if you had an ad blocker, as this would ensure that the ads would not interfere with your viewing experience. The video will likely begin playing, but there's no commitment to see it through to the end. After you have watched it for the 34 seconds that are given, click the complete button. Keep an eye out for the timer that will appear just below the video and indicate how much time is left. When the 34 seconds are over, we will click the complete button underneath the video. Then ignore the next ad by clicking the close button. And on our dashboard, a message will appear that says successfully completed, you received 61 cents. The only thing left to do is to refresh the page for the change to take effect. Our bank balance has increased by 61 cents, bringing the total to $5.61. Simply follow the same steps for videos 2 to 5. If you go ahead and click on the second video, we will be promoted with an ad once more. We'll just exit out of that and start playing. Once again, once the video has played for the required 34 seconds, click the complete button located beneath the video. The next time we see an ad, we will simply close it and press the complete button. I just refreshed the page and it shows that the total of my account is $5.93. Having said that, one thing that I have observed is that you are only permitted to watch 5 videos in 24 hours. A new set of videos will be available in a day's time. But do not worry, I will explain how to keep making $2.48 every minute over and over again. Don't go anywhere because I'll show you how to withdraw what you've earned in just a few minutes. But before that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to see more awesome videos like this. Let's get back to our video. Referrals are another way to make money on this website, and I'll show you how that works. The only thing you need to do is sign up for multiple accounts on this platform. The number of accounts you can make ranges from 5 to 10. You make $2.48 in under 3 minutes from a single account. If you have 10 accounts, you can make $24.80 in a matter of minutes. chats. There is no need for you to be concerned if you do not have a large number of email addresses, since I have a bonus piece of advice exclusively for you that will allow you to create several accounts. To create a new account, you must first log out of your current one and then click Sign Up again. On the following page, you will be able to change your identity by providing a new first name, last name, date of birth, and gender. Here's what you need to do when we get to the section where you enter your email address. Make some minor adjustments to the email address you provided. Previously, we used moneyanytime@gmail.com. The website will notify us that the email address is already in use if we try to use it again. Now, there is a secret. All you have to do to have it accepted is insert a dot right here. You can see that a new account was made using the same email address. You may place a dot anywhere you choose on the email address. It doesn't matter if it's here, here, or even here. All of these different permutations will be considered valid. And the good news is that any email sent to the alternate email address I just gave you will automatically be forwarded to moneyanytime@gmail.com. It's a neat trick that most people don't know about, but it's how Google operates. To cash out your hard-earned money, simply click the Withdraw button after clicking the My Account tab. Once you do that, you will be sent to a page where you can choose from 4 different methods to cash out your funds. The lowest possible amount to send via Western Union is $100, whereas the lowest possible amount to send using PayPal or WebMoney is $80. And Payoneer also has a minimum threshold limit of $80. You may easily set up your account and start withdrawing funds as soon as you reach the minimum withdrawal amount. The funds are deposited into your account of choice. How are you following along? If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them below and we will try our best to respond. For now, let's jump back in. Finally, here's the last method for generating $500 in passive income. I need you to go up to the top right corner of the screen, hover your mouse over My Account, and then click the option that says Referral. We will get to this page after clicking that. It is stated that we will receive $1 for each referral that signs up using our unique link. Using this bonus strategy, you may get thousands of users to sign up using your referral link and earn $500 every day without lifting a finger. Go ahead and open up facebook.com right now. Just type Earn Money Online into the search bar and hit the Enter key. Next, we will go ahead and select Groups from this menu and then Public Groups. This will help in locating numerous public groups that anyone may use. And the best part is that we don't need permission to join or post to these groups. If I click on this group, I will be taken to a page with several promotions for opportunities to earn money online. You only need to write a comment very similar to this one. You can see that this user made a post a few hours ago, and since then, it has received a lot of attention from curious onlookers who have liked and commented on it. It's easy to make $500 per day on wintop.com if just 500 of the thousands of people in your target audience sign up through your referral link. Now, I will show you how to make a post on Facebook that will help you spread your referral link across groups. For the caption, just write, I earned $80 from this site by just watching ads. It's totally free. Simply leave a comment below by asking how and I will send you the information. And now for the picture, let's head over to Google and look up Wintop Proof of Payment. Let's go ahead and select the Images tab. And here we can check these pictures representing pay stubs as proof of payment. Also, because we mentioned $80 in our post, we will use this picture of payment proof to verify that amount. Make sure to save this image to your computer device. Then after that, we will return to Facebook, and the next we will click right here to attach the image that we just downloaded. As you can see, this is how the post will eventually look. This method can be used to make money in many other online forums and groups besides Facebook. Also, I can assure you that after working at it for a while, you will make a lot of money, far more than $500 daily. And that's pretty much it. I love how simple Wintop is and how it is a great place to earn free money. If you stick with all of the strategies presented in this video, you'll have no trouble making $80 weekly. Have you tried all of the techniques mentioned in this video? Which one worked best? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we will see you in the next video.